Hey YouTube family and GN subs, October, happy Halloween. I have updates for the Diversity Lottery. I have updates for the October Visa Bulletin, some gains. It's a new year under that Visa Bulletin. We'll talk a little bit about that. Also new guidance from USCIS on medical exams. So yeah, when you're filing your adjustment, you have to include a medical exam. Got some good news on that. RFEs, they've been denying some applications under I-485. I'm going to tell you how you get around that with this new guidance. You can cite it. And we got a lot to get to today. Let's get at it. My name is Humberto Gray, attorney at law here in sunny Southern California. I love my GN subs. That's good news subs. That's what I do, give good news. You can always get me at hrg@graylaw.com. I answer all of my comments. Post a comment, I will get back to you, I promise. All right. So we got a lot to get to today. Hey, let's get at it. All right, Diversity Lottery for 2026. It is time, folks. You need to file immediately. The window opened on October 2nd, and it will close on November 5th. So if you are from a country that is on the Diversity Lottery list, and it's the same as the previous years except for Cuba, you need to put in an application online. What is the Diversity Visa? It's a free green card, folks. Okay? Most of you probably know this, but those of you who do not know, and I do have clients from time to time, they say, hey, Humberto, do I qualify for that Diversity Lottery? Can I put in an application? Is it going to affect my immigration process? I tell them, absolutely not. It's not going to affect you. Put the application in. Make an application. It is a free green card. If you are chosen, then you need to really follow the process. Make sure you hit all the dates of submitting visa forms, etc. And hey, I know a lot of people who get green cards under the Visa, lottery program. Individuals and family members are included if you're chosen. So the information regarding Diversity Visa is at State Department. Okay, I put a link in the description box below that'll take you to State Department's info site on the Diversity Lottery. Read up on it, see if you qualify, make an application, hey, get a free green card, all right? All right, Visa Bulletin for October. What do we got, huh? It's a new year for immigration. Remember, immigration's fiscal year is from October to October. So this is a new year, new visa numbers are gonna be allocated. The good news for this month is that you can use the filing date charts, right? Not the final action date, but the filing date charts. You can see those dates have moved forward. You can file your adjustment. You can start filing your visa process through the National Visa Center using the filing dates, okay? That's the good news for October. So I put a link in the description box below. This is for the Visa Bulletin. It is also at State Department. You can go there, check out the dates, see what country you're from, see the dates. Go to my video on Visa Bulletin. I have a really good video on Visa Bulletin and check it out. Explains the whole process. And since it's a new year, October, this is a good time to get refamiliarized with the Visa Bulletin and how it may affect your case, okay? Alrighty, I talked a little bit before, a couple weeks ago, about the new guidance on the EB1 and 01 visa category. Got some good guidance from USCIS. These petitions are getting very, very difficult to adjudicate. Lots of RFEs, big, thick, fat RFEs that are horrible boilerplate, kitchen sink stuff. Well, we got some good guidance on certain criteria. That is good stuff. I'm going to go through the new 4 guidance policy prescriptions with regard to O1s, EB1s, which is great. All right. Number 1. So team awards. So what USCIS has usually done on adjudication, if you are part of a team, you've won an award, they usually said, nope, you don't qualify as a recipient of that award, or they've made the guidance, team awards do count. Number 2, past memberships. So what they've done is they said, if you were a member of an organization, which is one of the criterion, that didn't qualify you. So now they have made the guidance policy very clear. If you are in a past membership, no longer in the membership today, but past membership, that qualifies. So that's really good news. I have lots of clients, because I do a lot of these cases, where they have had incredible past awards and immigration wouldn't consider them in the application because they were no longer a member. That's gone. That's good news. Number 3, published material. So immigration used to say that if there is published material, it should look at the value of the individual's work that it's talking about. USCIS, new policy, no, it doesn't have to talk about the value of the work. It just needs to mention the work and mention the individual. The publication has to indicate the individual and the individual's work. It doesn't have to make mention of the value of the work. All right, so that's a good new policy guidance. All right, number 4, and lastly, exhibitions. USCIS used to say that exhibitions have to be in art only, and it doesn't include other exhibitions. Well, that's gone by the wayside. USCIS said, look, Webster's Dictionary talks about exhibitions as all types of exhibitions, cars, books, art, it could be anything, right? Music. So any exhibition that you were a part of, that's now going to count as a piece of evidence for EB1 01. That's good stuff, folks. All right, last bit of good news. Medical exams. When you are filing your adjustment of status in the United States, I-485, you must include in your package either a family-based adjustment or an employment-based adjustment. You need to include the medical exam, all right? Now, medical exams used to expire, and your case actually could be denied because your medical exam was expired, etc. Well, new guidance. Any medical exam that was signed after November 1st, 2023, that medical exam no longer expires. That's good stuff. So if you have one of those medical exams and you had an RFE and your case was denied, USCIS was incorrectly denying adjustments based on medical exams that were signed after November 1st, 2023. If that's the case, you could do a motion to reopen on service error. I have a great video on that. Go check it out, how to do it. Pretty simple stuff. And they will reopen the case and approve your adjustment of status. All right, YouTube family and GN subs, thanks so much for watching GrayLaw TV. Click below, like, and subscribe. Share my content, folks. I need you. I need you to share my content so I can continue to grow the channel. Good stuff. Go to my library. Lots of good content for you. And hey, we'll see you next week.